Did you know some of your daily habits could actually be cutting years off your life? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid and how to stay healthier for longer. Let's dive into 5 surprising habits that could secretly be shortening your lifespan. Skipping breakfast might seem like a quick fix for a busy morning, but it can lead to heart disease and slow down your metabolism. Your body needs energy after fasting all night. Without it, you're more likely to overeat later or feel sluggish throughout the day. Try grabbing something simple. Even fruit or yogurt makes a big difference. Sitting for long periods can weaken muscles and increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Some experts even call sitting the new smoking. Combat this by standing up and moving around every hour. Even a short walk around the room helps. Feeling tired or foggy? It could be dehydration. Your body is over 60% water, and skipping out on hydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even kidney issues. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Your body will thank you. Holding in stress doesn't just affect your mood, it can actually harm your heart and immune system. Stress hormones wear your body down over time, increasing the risk of heart problems and even strokes. Try deep breathing, stretching, or even laughing it out. Whatever helps you relax. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep regularly can weaken your immune system and lead to long-term health problems like heart disease and depression. Good sleep isn't a luxury, it's essential. Put down the phone, set a bedtime, and aim for at least 7-8 hours each night. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you in the next one.